ukuthi umuntu ukhulelwa makunjani ngoba phela ngilani nabafana nje mina-ke nje
ungazovula imfana amathanga ungazovula imfana amathanga bazali siba lukhulu mayi oza ngapho ngena sixoxa shithi ngisafuna wesisi-ke sithi halamusa iy'ndaba zethu sobabili wesisi la nginolungu nayo ethamba unayo namhlanje
Ngizomthengela.
ha
Mnike bhuti.
alright masiqale sithenga amasi la wesisi nazi indaba iputshuka ubusizwile zingawe-ke yimi esengisenkingeni manje lapho wesisi kuthiwa nje hayi uyijwayele ntombi
Lutho bayangisukela ngizazi lezo zinto mina.
kodwa wesisi bese ngiyibuza nami
Angazi phela mina. Shithi-ke bayatshela nangiyamdamba lapha bathi ngikhulelwe.
nomdamba la uyababasa
Uyakwazi nje. Ho.
thiwa yimi ntombi engikhulelisile
Bayakudakela nabhuti awazi lutho.
lapha
Awuzinhlanye unganaki
Wesisi,
isimo emasisinjena unganaki.
vele abantu bayagula nje
Bayathanda ukukhuluma izinto abangazazi.
mina sangisola le COVID-19 umjovo ugcwele emakhanda bayahlanya bengazoswela wesisi yazi ungazubahleka
Hey, umuntu aqambela ngishaya ungayenzanga into. Athi nje ukhulelwe wena sibanibani kuukuthi lokuthi mina
ubuyidlela izolo usuthi bambana besimataka yaka nesisu phela ngathi ngibonile nje
bengenalutho nje.
wesisi wena
Buka. Hey,
wesisi ngiyabonga
ngiyakutshela.
sengithuke ngathuka mina wathi
Yabo, kuyeke nje lokho konungisa umniweni lokho.
alright uya umkhonyana wena kofanele impela elithulu udabe ebantwini cha lo muntu akakhulelwe kodwa ngoba nawe usushilo ngani yabo ukuthi ngiyabonga
Ngeke ke bengikhulumela angiyazi nje lenishinishi mina.
wesisi
Ukuthi umuntu ukhulelwa makunjani ngoba phela ngilani nabafana nje mina-ke nje
ungazovula imfana amathanga ungazovula imfana amathanga
ngisho ngala kuthiwa ngiyamvulela nginajaba ngivulela into yami
elobolile uvele uswele lo sikhotheli wesisi wazogeza umoya wakho
usukela sikhotheli.
Anyway, guys, Uma Dlamini finally respond to the current situation. She says she's not pregnant, guys. I don't understand what Uma Dlamini, guys. You know, there's a way of make money lana with social media. I feel like people are using Dlamini to make money. They could just open, you know, any social media. You know, she could do content. She's very funny. I love Dlamini, guys. You know, she can make a lot of money. We have seen Abu Maki, they are making thousand lapana go Facebook. So they can use also this opportunity to allow Dlamini to make her own money, guys. You know, she's really struggling. You can see she's going through a lot. So anyway, guys, it is what it is. I respond ya Dlamini say what mina angiko pregnant angilali nabafa. One thing about Dlamini, guys, is she love herself. One thing about that lady, she's the girl that she thinks she is. So anyway, guys, it is what it is. It's time in the conversation. What do you think about it? Say, don't forget to subscribe, to like it, comment. Happy Friday.